Good morning, students. Today we're going to have this kind of class because of COVID-19. And COVID-19 is a serious matter that we should follow the rules and law that we must stay at home. And I think it is better to be safe than to be sorry. Okay? So welcome to Science Grade 4. Today we're going to talk about the vascular bundle and stomata. We already have the introduction about this topic and we're going to continue. So, are you ready? Great. All right. So first, we should remember and know the structure of plants, like, flower, bud, leaves, stem, and roots. Okay? This is a simple structure of leaves and same as structure or parts of the plant is the same. So we have leaves. Okay, the spelling, please take note the spelling, that is very important. Leaves, this one is Leaves, leaves. And we have the flower, Flower, or with S. Then we have the fruit, it's Fruit, fruit, and stem, Stems, can be also without S, and seed, Seed, and we have roots, it's Roots, roots, okay? And every part of the plant have a function. What is the function of the leaves? They make food, okay? Leaves make food. About the flower, reproduction. It means that the flower work is to reproduce more flowers. Same as the fruit, okay? Flowers and fruit is reproduction by the wind or animals or human. Because sometimes the flowers can be eaten or picked by the bird and the bird will fly and it will drop the flower, can be also the seed, and the flower or the fruit and the seed will grow again to another plant. And fruit, when it fall down from the tree, and it will grow up for another tree. Or human, if they are eating fruit and they put the seed in the ground, that seed will grow up to a plant. Okay, so we have the flowers, fruit, and seed for reproduction, to reproduce, to be more plant. And we have the stem. Stem work or function is to transport water or food. Okay, and we have the roots. Number 6. The roots absorb nutrients from the soil and it puts up to the stem, leaves, flower, fruits so that the plant will have nutrient and it will grow bigger and taller. And then we have this. These are the specific names of the parts of the flower. Why? Because I just want to show this stem is where xylem and phloem is located. That is our topic. Xylem and phloem, it is located or they're located here in the stem. And their function is very important. Why? Because xylem is one of the 2 types of transport tissue in vascular plants, and the other one is phloem. So what is the function of xylem? The basic function of xylem is to transport water from roots to stems and leaves, but it also transports nutrients, okay? Nutrients, remember, nutrients from the soil. So the The xylem will get the water from the roots and it's transported to the stem, leaves, and flower. Every part of the flower, there must be water so that the plant will grow healthier. And like this. This one, the water, the minerals from the soil, and the xylem will get all those ones and transport it from the roots, going to the stem, and then leaves, and then flower. Okay? Understand? Good. And we also have the phloem. Phloem is the living tissue in vascular plants that transports the soluble organic compounds made during photosynthesis and known as photosynthates. In particular, the sugar sucrose to parts of the plant where needed. This transport process is called translocation. Okay, the phloem is going to transport food from the leaves, going to the stem, flower, and roots, because foods from photosynthesis. Plants is going to make foods from the photosynthesis, and we're gonna talk about that later, okay? So xylem is water, and phloem is all about foods, okay? Our photosynthesis products and photosynthesis, you can see this one, is from the sunlight, okay? So this one, the blue one is xylem. This yellow-brown is the phloem, okay? This one. It comes from the leaves, go to stem, go to flower, go to buds or fruits, and it goes to the roots. Okay? Remember, xylem from roots, phloem from leaves. Xylem, water, phloem, food. Okay? Okay. So, this one. The xylem and the phloem. This is the stem. You can see this is the stem and this is the xylem and outer is the phloem. Okay? This is the example of the phloem and xylem inside the stem. And remember, the blue is this one, phloem. The pink one is the xylem, which is the water. It's more inside than this phloem. Okay? Okay. So you are going to draw page 11 in your book in A4. Remember that there is a margin and I want you to take a picture of your drawing and send it in the line. Okay? Those who are already finished, there are maybe 3. It's no need. For those who are not yet finished, please draw page 11 in your book in A4 and you're going to send it in line. I'm going to see who drew. Okay? And I want everybody will do it. Great. So next time, next class, we're gonna talk about the monocotyledons and the dicotyledons. This is a little bit longer topic, so I wanted to do it in the next class. That will be tomorrow. And thank you for having a class today. And please don't forget your homework, which is this one, your activity, which is draw page 11 in your book and send it in line. Okay? All right. So see you tomorrow. Goodbye.